Vashon Brown, an esteemed alumnus of Enid Bennett High School in St. Catherine, embodies resilience and excellence in his journey through academia and journalism, overcoming financial challenges and supported by his mother Cynthia and late grandfather. Vashon graduated with honors from Northern Caribbean University with a Bachelor of Arts in Mass Communication in 2012. He furthered that education with a Sheening Scholarship, earning a Master of Science in Media Communication and Development from the London School of Economics and Political Science with distinction.
Yes!
And is currently pursuing a PhD in Media and Communication at the LSE.
Proud mama.
You know, it's on my screen It is with pride and confidence that the Governor General's Achievement Awards Committee of St. Andrew selected you as a worthy recipient of the 2024 Governor General's Achievement Award for